Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is Asad Yaqub, and once again I welcome you to my video, and I'm quite sure this video will increase your band score in speaking. Exactly, because I'm going to tell you something about speaking which you don't know already, or even if you know already, share it with others. Well, one of the criterias of the examiner, speaking examiner, that is pronunciation. Let me tell you, in IELTS speaking, the good news is there is no marking criteria, that is accent, right? They don't check your accent. They don't want to see whether you speak British English or Australian or Canadian or Punjabi English. Punjabi English comes in pronunciation, by the way. Anyways, accent, no criteria for accent, but pronunciation. Now, what is pronunciation? Pronunciation is you speak English which is easy to understand throughout the exam. Throughout the exam means throughout your speaking test. So, if you say, I want to tell you something important and this is the point which I want to make, that's all right, because you come from Punjabi background. You might have seen Arabs when they speak English. I would like to draw your attention to something important, and that is really good. With this type of English, if they speak good English, grammatically their structures are correct, they can get good band score. There is no problem. They will not try to see that, okay, if somebody is talking like this and they are not speaking properly. So, pronunciation actually means that whatever you speak, examiner understands that, and whatever you try to say. See that? Cat. Yeah, exactly. So, pronunciation is easy to understand throughout the exam. If somebody speaks like this, I want to tell you something very important and within the mouth, nobody speaks like that, I know, but it should be, I mean, the words should come out of your mouth. Don't chew them in your mouth, actually. The next criteria is only a few errors in pronunciation. Now, what is that? Instead of cat, if you say Kate, because you believe Kate Winslet looks like cat, that is not right. Okay, so only a few errors in pronunciation. Next, wide range of pronunciation features. Now, what are those features? Stress, advertisement. You know, some people say advertisement, advertisement. So, one of the features of your pronunciation is stress. And if you say advertisement, that will be considered wrong. Advertisement, advertisement, one of the things. Second is intonation. What is intonation? The right use of sound when you speak. Today, I'm very happy to tell you something related to my life. Today, I'm very happy to tell you something related to my life. I'm very glad that I'm sharing this with you. You will also be very happy to learn this happiest incident of my life. Understand? Yeah. So, you need to use good intonation. Intonation is the use of voice according to the message. I'm quite confident when I talk to you. I really feel nervous if I have to speak in front of some people like that, right? If you say, I'm quite angry, I'm not angry at all. And if you say, I'm quite angry, nobody cares because your intonation is wrong. So, wide range of pronunciation features. They are stress, intonation, and there are some other. You can study them as well. Errors did not affect comprehension. Errors in pronunciation do not affect comprehension. Means there are actually some mistakes in your pronunciation, but still your English is understandable. Your English is clear. Listener can understand your English. No doubt it's Punjabi style, Hindi style, Urdu style, Bengali style, Nepali style. That doesn't matter. Why I name these countries? Because most of my students are there. African style, okay, Arab style and all that, right? So, I mean, you need to take care of all these things. Once again, I repeat, pronunciation means Your language should be easy to understand throughout the exam. Only a few errors in pronunciation, wide range of pronunciation features, and errors do not affect comprehension. If you focus these things in pronunciation, out of 9, you can get a very reasonable band score. I've made other 3 videos on fluency and coherence, lexical resource, grammar range and accuracy. These are separate videos. You must watch them as well. That's all, guys. Thank you very much. I also teach IELTS online all over the world and on campus here in Lahore, Pakistan. If you want to join my IELTS classes, these are live classes taught by Asad Yaqub himself. Okay, so Asad Yaqub, myself actually, but Asad Yaqub himself. So if you wish to join them, my WhatsApp number is given. You can contact me for that. Asad Yaqub truly wishes you best of luck. Take care. Allah Hafiz.